Speck says, wait for me. Wait for me. I am old. I am old man. Monty's like, shut up. I'm an old man too. But I run. Poop, 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 poop. Poop, 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 poop. Good horse. Good horse. Tiny pooper and good horse. Speck, what do you think? What do you think, Speck? Ah, you were excited. Oh, you found it. No. Roll. Oh, someone lost their bicycle seat?
Wait, take a picture, send it to Christian. Tell him that booty though.
Put the bicycle seat. Speck, go. Speck, go. Come on, Speck. Where are you going? You're going this way. Speck, get them. Get to the man you're obsessed with. Hunt him down, Speck. Hunt him down. Run, Monty, run. Oh, you think, Speck, you're gonna let him do that to you? Gonna let him run away? Monty. Specky. I'm filming Monty. I am. I am filming. Oh, the Monty. The monster. Monty. No walkie. No love for me, Monty. Monty, I love you. Monty, I love you. Monty!
Run away from affection.
Monty, I love you. Goodbye, Monty. Speck, what do you think? Got some boofs over here. Got a boof. Hightailing it down there, Monty. I guess we'll just take a nice leisurely walk, Speck, as you pee on everything. Monty! Mr. Monster! Monty dog, Monty dog. No, he has to rebellion poop. Hold on, Specky. Gotta wait for the car. Okay, go. Go. Old man, Monty, what do you think? Oh, Speck, you're gonna pee on your leash again. Specky. Oi. There we go. Speck, you're so old. How old are you, Poop? I'm like 15, 16. I am very old. Monty, how old are you? I'm maybe like 14, 15. I'm not actually sure. Speck, come on. Speck, we don't need to pee every single spot another dog has peed. Woo! Horse. A horse and a tiny thing. Specky. It's nice here. I don't get to be down here often at my dad's, but hey, what do? You come down when you can, and when he goes away to Europe for a month, you stay and mooch off the AC. It's pretty nice, except for having to drive really far to get to work. But hey, who's complaining? Maybe me a little bit. It's gas. Who cares? We get AC and freedom and doggos, and we get to see our boy Yang. Yangy boy. He is a very fat boy with a tiny little head. Between the cars, Speck. You're tiny, you can do it. Can I do it? Go, Specky, go. Ooh, wee. And walk in.